Hello, today we're going to be talking about proper operation of the porthole doors on a Whitley workstation. So the first thing we're going to do is grab onto the latch with our index finger and our thumb. And then we're going to lift the latch up until we feel the door release. Whenever we're holding the latch, we want to make sure not to twist it left or right because that will either tighten or loosen the door to the acrylic front of the workstation. If the latch is too tight, then that could cause damage to the acrylic front, and if it's too loose, we won't be getting a proper seal on the workstation door, causing gas leakage. Once we feel the door release after we've opened it, we move the latch down and follow the door into the workstation. When we're inside, this right side porthole can open all the way, hinge all the way to the front. What I'm going to do is I'm going to close the porthole now. So when I'm closing it, I want to make sure to not grab at this blue gasket around the porthole door. Over time, if I continuously do this, this will cause a lot of wear and tear on this gasket. So what I'm going to do, if the door is opened all the way, I'm just going to turn my body towards the door that I'm opening, take my index finger, grab underneath the door, pull it towards me now that I can reach the latch. Grab the latch again with my index finger and my thumb, pull it all the way shut, lift it back into position, and close it tight. You should feel a seal around the door once it's closed. Thank you for watching.